Find features that distinguish it from other brands for Jungle Leopard Interstellar V1 120mm case fan. And why you should choose. Next, we are introduce some reasons why. Because there are features. Daisy chain design. Slide-in/pin-to-pin interlocking mechanism. Unprecedented flexibility / a quicker and easier installation process. Only one cable is required for each fan cluster. Efficiently solve the installation mechanism line and save installation time. The interior of the chassis is cleaner and more beautiful. Damping low noise, stable and efficient. 8 pads reduce resonance and extra wear. Noise value less or equal 29 dBA. The shape and angle of the fan blades are designed based on bionics. The large fan blades generate strong wind pressure and large air volume to provide efficient heat dissipation performance. Each fan can provide up to 58.36 CFM. Light effect of surround infinity mirror. Based on the collection form of infinity mirror, it presents a 3D visual sense under the light of the front ARGB light strip. Support 5V ARGB divine light synchronization. Support the market for major motherboard manufacturers. 5v3-pin, ARGB interface, realize divine light synchronization, programmable custom 16 million colors. If you want to get full highlight features and or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends. And important, don't forget to press subscribe to get instant notifications of all future uploads.